Boy, that's a lot of fry. Oh, hello! Welcome back to the Biotopes. I'm just checking out this tanker. I've got some Cultratus fry and some Signifer fry that I'm growing out. And they're going to be part of some future Biotopes. But in today's video, we're adding our final 2 fish into the Upper Amazon in Peru Biotope. So, hope you're excited. I know I am. Let's get started. All right, let's update you on the tank. As you can see, it's really evolving nicely. So, sorry for the glare in the back. That's just the lights on from the tanks, but let me zoom in here a little bit. So I've got the 25 ghost shrimp, and I've also got 10 bronze cories, and then I've got the 2 chocolate bristlenose. And so far, the ghost shrimp are safe. I haven't noticed really anybody being chased around or eaten, so I think so far they're good. It's amazing how well the cories work up the sand. Back there's a dead spot, so we've got some detritus. You can see just in the water the organic particulate matter is up in the water column, which is actually really good. That means it'll get into the filter. I will need to just take a look at the filter here. I will need to clean out my fine filter floss there. That's really getting brown with the tannins. I also added this bag of peat moss, granular peat. So that gives me that really nice tannin look. But anyway, yeah, things are going really good. The roots from the Amazon frog bit are really growing great. You can see their little fine roots have gathered a lot of that organic material. So really happy with how this is going so far. Obviously the plecos have produced a lot of waste. So that is to be expected, but Core's doing a great job of working that up and getting that into the water column, and just really doing a great job. So we're really excited. All right, so our next fish are coming from this tank, and I think it's safe to say that the ghost shrimp might be in trouble because I've got 6 really good size black skirt tetras. You can see them there, hidden in the valve. Really healthy, really good size. So we're gonna get those guys in next. And the black skirt tetra, excuse me, is native to the Amazon River, the Upper Amazon area in Peru that we're working towards. So we'll get those 6 guys in here next. I think I've got to drain the water down a little bit in this tank to get them out, but stay tuned. Wow, okay. Well, I had to tear that tank apart. You can see I've dropped the water over 50%. There's that lone angel in there still. And the plants are just ripped up, but that's okay. This is just a breeding, quarantining tank, so no big deal there. But we've got our 6 good size black skirts. Sorry for that noise, that's my heater just kicked on. But we are gonna get those guys into the tank, and I mean, hopefully the shrimp don't get decimated right away. I'm assuming that some will be eaten, but we'll get these guys in and get them out of this little container. So let's do that now. Not the most graceful entrance, but it'll do. Okay. So there's some. I don't see anything getting attacked yet. There's 4. All right, now they're gonna start schooling here. Let's see how this goes. Sorry. Okay, they're in the back there. You see them? Yep, there they are. Sorry, it's not great. They're hiding back in the plants. All right. Kind of getting their bearings here. See the shrimp too concerned. There's one sitting right on that leaf. I just measure the water, even with the plecos. I've fed it a few times. All the leaf litter, the nitrates are still about 0, definitely under 10. So I've not really added too much of liquid ferts yet. So obviously there are root tabs in there for the swords, but that's it. So they are doing pretty good. Sorry if it's not the greatest lighting, it just comes across on camera, but they're doing well. I'm going to turn the camera off now, let them get settled in, and we'll check back with them soon. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so we have got our next final inhabitants for the Upper Amazon Solimoes River in Peru biotope. Sorry if the sound is a little bit weird, the heater is going right now, but these are, I've got 6 silver angels. They're nice and healthy. I've got some salt going in there now, some methylene blue, some ick guard and Prazi Pro. I'm also feeding some live brine shrimp. So that's why the water looks a little bit blue. So I'm just going to quarantine them here for several days. We'll see, at least a week, maybe longer, but they are really nice looking. Just got these from the local shop. And I'd say they are quarter size, maybe a little bit larger. All really beautiful markings, starting to get that red eye that is so great. And these silver angels, sorry for the camera. So you can see they're doing really well. Just got them acclimated in the tank, and then, like I said, dosing some salt and some meds. I did 3 tablespoons of aquarium salt. This is 20 gallons, so not super high dosage, but enough to keep them healthy. Like I said, methylene blue just to keep any fungus, along with the Ick-X or the Ick Guard from I think it's from Tetra, and some Prazi Pro just to prophylactically treat them. So we will have these guys in here, like I said, for at least a week, if not longer. And we'll get them added to the biotope soon. So stay tuned. All right, Biotopers, so what do you think? Super excited about this Biotope pill. We've got our black skirt tetras already in the tank and our silver angels in quarantine. I think you'll agree those are two great species for this Biotope. The black skirt tetra, a very underestimated fish. It's gonna go great in this tank. And then obviously the classic silver angel fish. Excited to get those into quarantine. They're already eating and looking great. As those grow, it's really gonna be great for that Biotope. Really excited about it. So now we'll just wait to get those out of quarantine and get those added. Behind me, I'm standing in front of this tank just off camera. This is our next Biotope build. So if you wanna see what this is, be sure you're subscribed. Give us a like, make that thumb blue, share with your friends. And this tank behind me is future Biotope builds, but this one's next. What do you think this is gonna be? Go ahead and put your guesses down in the comments below. Excited to see what you guys think, and excited to get this whole room built out. Biotopes from all over the world. Thanks so much for coming back to us and tuning in. Really appreciate your support, and I'll see you next time.